Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got Blume in the studio, who is a singer, songwriter, model, actress, absolute superstar, and has a new single coming out soon. So we're doing some promotional stuff for that, for them to promote the new single. I'll have links to social media and the single when it does get released down below, but you will have to wait a little bit for that. So yeah, we're just doing a shoot with Peter's standard fashion setup because it is a real cool, like, supervillain latex fashion look. So it's just Peter's standard fashion setup. And yeah, so we will get into it.
So today I'm doing a latex fashion shoot with Blume. We've worked a little bit, but this will be the first time you've seen her on YouTube. She's a singer, songwriter, actor, model, extraordinaire. And we'll be doing a little bit of work with her, just on her brand, getting her some images out for her. So we've styled this up, just her boots, and I think the rest is from the studio, isn't it?
Yeah, everything else.
It's from the studio. I've just set up a large Octa. This is pretty much my go-to fashion setting when it's on grey. If I'm going white, I'll blow the background, but pretty much just one Octa coming down at an angle onto her. I've taken one frame and pretty much nailed my exposure. The only thing going off is her pendant. I'm just going to take a shot. I've got a preset that I use for my fashion, and hopefully that's coming on it. Yep. So on my preset on this, I've just got some contrast on there, bit of shadow fill, a lot, maybe too much clarity, and a down curve, and I'll just finally adjust these a bit more later. Everything else should be the same yet, nothing on that. Sharpening turned off. And we just need to come up with a killer couple of photos to promote Blume. So all of this is about is getting out some content for her, to her upcoming single, get some interest around her site, and then when she releases her single, she'll have more than one person look at it. Cool. Now again, normally I'd be playing music, but because of copyright, I'm pretty much happy. I'm shooting on my standard settings. I'm on 100 ISO. I've got an 80mm on here. I'm at f8 at 160th of a second. Cool. We've got a pretty windy day today, so my roller door's going off. I just want to double check what I've got on there. Cool. Right, I'm really liking that. Time to go.
Let's do it.
All right. So I'm just going to let you freestyle a bit, then I'm going to start directing a little bit. Cool? Cool. Awesome. Awesome. That's really cool. That's really cool. Nice, nice, nice. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. So I'm just going to leave Blume doing what she's doing, and while I'm shooting, I'm just watching to what I want to change just to enhance this a bit more. Cool, that's really pretty. Cool, I like that. All right, so the first thing I want to do is let's get you wider. Yes, even a touch wider. Right. So even though this feels super, super wide with you, when we shoot the photo, it doesn't look that wide because the camera, two-dimensional, takes that off. Now, if anything, if you can just roll onto your balls of your feet a little bit, that's it. Just that little punch up, and then cool. Cut in with those eyes, cool. Cool. That's really cool. I like that a lot. Awesome, awesome. Now you can just freestyle whatever you like. That's cool. That's really cool. Nice, nice. Cool. Do you want to do some maybe steps, pops, falls? Right. We'll do some a little bit. Try not to be completely side on, but try and finish where your dot is. Because if you're too side on, the corset doesn't work. It can be a little bit side on. About there, the corset's working, but fully side on, it doesn't do this.
Yeah.
Cool. Awesome. Awesome. That's really cool. I'm just going to check to see how they're going. Too late. That's better. Yeah, I've just got to capture her before the front foot comes down. And when you're doing it, just remember, pose, then step. So pull your face to how you want it before you step. Cool. That's really cool. Sorry, missed that. With Hasselblad, I've got to press a fraction before she jumps because there's a delay between me clicking. That's pretty cool. That's a bit cool. I'll just try and get you to put a little bit more height, just so don't have to jump further, just a little bit more height. So I've got a little bit more time from when your feet leaves without killing an ankle or anything. Cool, and again, but pull the face first. That's cool. Cool. That's cool. That's really cool. I reckon you've nailed the jump shot.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm liking, unless you want to try a few more.
Yeah.
Or do you reckon you do better?
Or maybe let's try a few more. Just a few more.
Just a few more. Makes me feel better because I'm not telling her to keep jumping. She wants to. Cool. Don't mind that. Quite like that. It's hard jumping and trying to get your face perfect.
Yeah. Oh
These
my God,
are all
I'm
cool.
already loving them.
You're loving them. You're loving them. Tell me what you really think.
Yeah, no, I still think that the first one's
The first
were
one's
better.
that's cool. All right. Do you want to do the stuff squatting and that,
Yeah.
and then the upside down stuff?
Yeah.
All right. So if we go to squatting first.
I can't remember what I was doing for the spotting. Was it like this one?
Yeah, that sort of stuff, and just all weird, more lower and that, cool, that type of thing. So you can just freestyle and go with whatever you want to do. Okay? Cool. Cool, cool, awesome. Nice. That's cool, that's really cool, that's really cool. Nice, nice, there. Cool, beautiful, beautiful. Cool. Awesome, awesome. There, stunning, stunning. Oh, sorry to work you out so much. That's cool. Just eyes. Now it's all about your face now. Cool. The silhouettes to get them in, the face is what's going to keep them looking cool. Beautiful, beautiful. That's really pretty. Cool. Do you want to go onto the ground now?
Yep.
That's cool. Cool. Lean in just a little bit. Cool, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. Cool, cool, there. Beautiful, beautiful. Cool. Cool. I'm gonna come in closer on this. Cool. That's really cool. That's cool. All right, eyes. It's all about the eyes. Cool. That's cool. Cool, cool. Stunning, stunning, stunning. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. We haven't worked much together, but you've learnt so much that I can just, if I just hold, you'll keep drifting, which is so glad you have never done e-commerce. Cool, that's pretty. That's really pretty. Keep drifting. If I don't shoot, just keep drifting. Cool, that's nice. That's really nice. And try and pick up on what you feel when you do something. How it makes you feel means it's having an effect on your face. If you feel something, your face is changing. That's really cool. That's really pretty. Cool. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's see how good you are at yoga.
And was it more going sideways or this way?
No, so try and be perfectly square to me. Nice, nice. That's really cool. Knees together. It's perfect, perfect, perfect. That's awesome, awesome. When I'm saying knees together, I'm wanting the legs to look like one leg, not two legs. Cool, that's really pretty. Cool, cool. Cool. Knees together. Perfect, perfect. Awesome. Nice, nice. Use the eyes though. Cool, cool. That's cool, I like that lots. Roll your hips back that way though. Yeah, now bring your leg down. That's cool, that's really cool. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So I'm just gonna see how we go. Trying to shoot some beauty shots with this. That's really pretty. Just double check. That's really cool. Oh, you're getting tired.
No.
Cool, that's really cool. That's lovely, awesome. That's really pretty. Cool, cool. I nearly tested my camera on. Cool, that's really pretty. Eyes, just work those eyes. Stunning, stunning. It's very Medusa with that hair like that. Cool, that's really pretty. I reckon we got something there. So what I'm going to quickly do, because that's just shooting with flash. Now let's see how quick I can swap over. I'm going to shoot natural light very quickly to get a completely different look. Oh, that quick. I'm just going to take one picture, then I'm going to set up. Oh no, might even just let it come. We'll see what it's like. Might let it come straight out of camera. A little bit shallow, so I'm going to go about 2.8. Punch it a cup touch there. That's about perfect there. Let's see what we get there. I'm just going off on the white, how I want it to go off. Blume's not going off at all. Cool. It's really pretty. Soften the face down. Cool there. I just want to check straight out of camera. Oh, that's looking really cool. Even though it's in color, let's nail it. All right. So now we're just using natural light. Cool, that's really pretty, cool. Fully manual focusing, cool, that's awesome. That's cool, I like those eyes, just cut it in. Nice, nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, it needs to be a softness, but an evilness in the eye without it going into the jaw. So don't ask me how you're going to do it. I'm just giving you all the hardest things to concentrate on. That's really cool. Cool, I love that, love that. Beautiful, beautiful. Ah, yeah. She's gonna blush. Lucky it's in color, we're gonna get red face. How close can you get in on the back of this? Can you get a decent look at this?
Yeah.
So going on to from my rant the other day about cameras, so you can see how Blume's not going off at all. If I just change my ISO, right, we can see she's not going off one little bit. But, so these are the features I want in a camera. Then my focus peaking, see how we just get that glint into the eyes. And if I do a zoom in on this, and let's stick her where I want her, see how I've got this beautiful twinkle in her eyes. And this is the reason why I've really liked the white as a focus peaking, because I can get that gorgeous look in the eyes. Stunning, stunning. I'm loving the black. What I might do is, do we want to do just a couple standing? Yeah. I want to use it with this camera because we're not using flash. I'll swing that completely out of shot. So I'm just adjusting my aperture just to get beautiful, that wall to go off completely. In fact, I might just take it there, cool. Stunning, stunning. I like that, that's really cool. Awesome, awesome. Work those eyes. The eyes are the most important thing, cool, cool, cool. I reckon we got something.
Oh my God, yeah, I love these ones.
You love these ones?
Yeah, I mean, I love all of them. but yeah, I just love the look of how contrasted it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So have we got it?
Yeah, absolutely, I think. Yes, oh my goodness.
So I definitely got it? You happy?
Yeah, totally. Oh my goodness, yes.
You happy to call it a wrap?
Yeah, absolutely.
Awesome.
Thank you.
So we hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did enjoy that, I will throw up a link to the rant that Peter mentioned so you can see why he does love these two cameras the most. And I'll also throw up another fashion video now.
Throw up as in bleh.
No, as in I'll put it up above my head. No, don't do that, that's yuck.